Hello, welcome to a new tutorial. This is a very short and simple tutorial on how to change your WordPress admin dashboard colors. If you want daily WordPress tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button. So, let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Once here, come down to Users and hover over it, then click on All Users. Here, select the user that you want to change the colors for. You will be brought to this page where you can see Admin Color Scheme. Here, you can choose what color scheme you want. Select the colors you want. Scroll down and click on Update Settings. As you can see, the colors of your WordPress dashboard have been changed. That's all. It is very simple. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel and hit that like button for daily WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.